How to make a website using Astra. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make your very own website using Astra. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to sign into your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I've already signed in over here. As you can see, this is my WordPress dashboard, and over here this is my other WordPress account. So first things first, to install plugins, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have a business account. So over here, as you can see, upgrade to business plan to install plugins. So you have to have a business plan, and the business plan, it costs you around 25 bucks per month. Let me just see over here. Yeah, over here, $25 per month. All right. And if you go with the annually, then you will save 24%. So you have to have this account to install the plugins. But if you don't want to, pay, and you are looking for something, a tool that can help you get this site for free, then what I could suggest is this website called pantheon.io. Now this is an amazing website with which you can install WordPress on it and start using WordPress for free. This website is absolutely free. All right, you can go ahead and sign up on it, and so you can start using it for free. So as you can see, this is how it will look like once you've installed it. So this is my dashboard. This is my website that I got by installing on Pantheon. So keep that in mind. You can either go with the $25 per month over here, or use Pantheon, or use any other hosting service to install the WordPress on it. It all depends on you. So having said that, let's just say that you have done it. You've already, got yourself a WordPress website. What you're going to need to do is you're going to go into the plugin section over here, and you're going to add a bunch of different plugins. So over here at, let me click on add new plugins. Over here, as you can see, this is the plugin store right here. You can have a bunch of different plugins over here. You have hundreds and thousands of plugins to install on your WordPress website to make it look amazing. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to download a plugin called Astra. Over here, as you can see, if I search for Astra, I have all these different ones over here. So first things first, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need starter templates over here. So we're going to click on install starter templates and activate them. All right. And once it's activated, we are good to go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install another plugin, and it's called Elementor. So let me just search for Elementor over here. All right. As you can see, this is how it looks like, Elementor website builder. So this is the one we need. So we're going to go ahead and click on install now, and then wait a couple of seconds for it to be installed, and then we're going to go ahead and activate it. So as you can see, it's active. Now let's go ahead and activate it. All right, boom, there we go. Now that that's done, as you can see, these were the two things that we needed for our website. Now let's go ahead and create a new website. So first things first, let's go ahead and click on see library over here. It's going to help us to see all the library that we have over here. So all this, as you can see, these are a bunch of different themes that are already installed over here that are basically available to us to install on our website, and you can go ahead and install any one of these. As you can see, some of them are premium, some of them are free, so it all depends on you. Choose whichever one you want. So for example, let's just say that this is a website that we want, the coffee house. So we'll just click on this theme, and over here we'll have to upload our logo. If you want to, you can go ahead and choose and upload your very own logo anytime over here, and then you can choose the length and width of it as well. But if you don't have one, no worries, you can go ahead and skip and continue, and you can do that later. And then you have the color palettes for your website. So currently it's this one right here. You can choose the purple one, you can choose the red one, pink, yellow, you have green, you have blue, sky blue, green again, orange as well. So it depends on you. So currently this was the original one, so keep that if you want, or you can go with another one. It all depends on you. I think this yellow one looks pretty nice, so we're going to choose the yellow one, and then we can choose the fonts of it as well. So we have a bunch of different fonts. You can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. It all depends on you, but I think this was the original ones, and you can choose whichever one you want. I think this one looks pretty nice, so we're going to go with this one and click on continue. And then we have just one last step, and then we have to just basically submit and install this website. It's going to take a couple of seconds to install all the plugins, all the themes, all the fonts, all the things that is required. So just sit back, relax, and let it install all of the things necessary for your website. All right, so as you can see, the website has been installed, and now we can go ahead and view this website and start editing it to our needs. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. All right, all the plugins that were necessary for it, all the fonts, everything that was necessary for it has been installed, and now we can go ahead and use this website. So to edit this website, first we need to go ahead and over here, as you can see, we have the menu section over here as well. To edit this website, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on edit with Elementor, and it's going to take us over to the website builder tool that can help us to edit this website. Now I chose Elementor because it's very fun and it's very easy, and it gives you a lot of different options as well. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. All right, so first things first, as you can see, it's a little bit different, so let's go ahead and edit this section out. So to edit a section, what you can do is hover your mouse over that section. As you can see, it will be highlighted and this flow icon will be available. You will have three options. You will have add section, you will have edit section, and then you will have delete section. You can choose whichever one you want. I clicked on the edit section button over here, and then we have on the left side this edit section for this section over here. Let's go ahead and click on style, and we can go ahead and edit the change the background picture of it as well. We can add a color as well. All right, as you can see, we can add like black or white. It depends on us. All right, we can customize it. We have primary color, we have secondary color, we have text, we have everything. So let's just go ahead and choose white for now. All right, and then we have background type, we have gradient. All right, we have video, we have slideshow, and then we have the classic itself. So for example, if you wanted to add like a video, just simply choose video and then go onto YouTube or upload your video onto YouTube and copy that link and paste it over here, and then video will be played over here. So you can choose played once, yes, play on mobile, yes, privacy mode, it all depends on you. So for example, let's go ahead and find a video, right? So let's go over here onto YouTube and find a coffee promo, right? And then we have a bunch of different options over here, so we can choose whichever one you want. So let's go ahead and choose this one. We'll just copy the link for this video, right? Go back to our editor over here and then just simply paste that link over here and click on update. Wait a couple of seconds and boom, as you can see, the website is playing. All right, and now what we can do is we can go ahead and click on the layout as well, and there you go. And now, for example, if you wanted to, let's just say, edit this section out, you can go ahead and click on hover, normal, you can choose the image as well. This is how it looks like, blah, blah, blah. This is the video that we added over here. As you can see, it's really nice. We have background overlay as well. All right, we can choose the hover, we can top border, left, right, box of shadows, horizontal, or it all depends on you, how you ever you like it. So you can even add this video down below. So over here, maybe over here under the about section. So as you can see, it all depends on you. So it's really amazing, it's really good. So for example, if you wanted to change the text of it as well, so you can just simply have to click on just text. Let's just say just simply click on this text and you can change that text as well. You can change the overall heading style of it as well. You can add change over here. You can add change whatever you want. So let's just say the best coffee in the world over here. You can add that as well. It's pretty amazing, it's really good. You can edit anything you want. It all depends on you. And keep remembering, guys, whenever you make like an edit, always click on update so that your changes that you made can be saved and you don't lose your changes. For example, maybe the light goes out or your computer shuts down, so if you haven't saved it, all your progress will be lost. So keep that in mind. You can even choose an image for the background as well. Let me just go ahead and edit this out real quick. I wanted to see if I could make it a little bit more different. I'm just adding different images over here, so don't mind me. I'm just seeing how it would look. Well, it looks good. This is the background. All right, so we'll just keep that white. So as you can see, it's now a little bit more whiter, the image. So yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. So as you can see, it's really amazing. You can edit anything you want, and once you have edited, make sure to save. And then once you've saved, click on exit to dashboard and you'll be exited to your dashboard and you're good to go. And then you can even edit with the WordPress editor if you want. It all depends on you. So once your website has been edited, you don't have to publish it because it's already published, and just simply click on visit website, right? And you can go ahead and visit your website over here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification. And also share this video with your friends and family members who are trying to learn how to create a website with on WordPress, but they can't. So share this video with them so that they can also learn how to create a website. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, goodbye.